For auto. You want watch it?
If you recall, earlier today, being Tuesday, the 25th of June 2024, we made a call from the River State government alerting all medical facilities, both public and privately owned facilities in the state, about a failed attempt to detonate an explosive at the Hotel Presidential axis of the state. The reason for that was for them to be vigilant with a heightened sense of alert and high index of suspicion should any individual present at any of the medical facilities with an injury suggestive of a traumatic amputation of an upper limb. And so following from that call, our medical facilities in the state were on a heightened sense of alert. And so when a young man was brought to the River State University Teaching Hospital with alleged injuries sustained during what was said to be a road traffic accident, the medical personnel that were on hand to examine him and offer medical care were on alert and immediately recognized that the injuries that were seen on this individual were not in tandem with a road traffic accident and rather resembled injuries that would have come from blast. The individual was taken to the theater for immediate resuscitation because as at the time he was brought in, he was semi-conscious. But the medical personnel did the needful and immediately informed the River State government, immediately informed the Commissioner for Police in River State and the River State Ministry of Health about the presence of that individual in the facility, even when providing emergency medical care to revive and resuscitate him. He is currently stable. We are working in tandem with the River State Police Command, and so the hospital has been fully secured. The premises and the perimeter have been fully secured. The patient is undergoing current medical treatment. He is stable, and the police is doing their own part with carrying out the necessary investigations. And so in this manner, we just seek to inform the public that this is the update following the earlier events of today in Port Harcourt. Thank you. Several individuals brought the patient. One is still with him, and all the others immediately found their way out of the facility. But of course, like I said, we are working with the Nigerian police force and they will be carrying out their own investigative role.